Hello! We're starting an advanced course with how JavaScript works. But I already know how JavaScript works. I write JavaScript every day. Stop wasting my time, Andre. I know you like to give me a hard time, but let me ask you this. When you write code on a file, do you know what happens? How does the browser read this file? How is JavaScript executed? How does Node.js work? We write code in a text editor, and somehow this code magically turns into ones and zeros to tell the computer to do something. In this section, and to begin this course, I want to build what I think is the most important foundation of learning any language. If somebody asks you, hey, can you explain how JavaScript works, as if I was 5? You're going to be able to answer it by the end of this section. Knowing something deeply is being able to understand it so well that you can explain it to anybody, even somebody without technical knowledge. More importantly, you will have an understanding of the language at a deeper level than most people in the industry so that you can write better code. Let's have a look at what we're going to talk about. In the first part, we're going to talk about the JavaScript engine, JavaScript runtime, about interpreters, compilers, and JIT compilers. We're going to learn about writing optimized code. We're going to talk about call stacks, memory heaps, and some of the things that we have to be careful when it comes to stacks and heaps, and that is Stack Overflow and memory leaks. We're going to talk a little bit about garbage collection, about Node.js and how it fits into this whole JavaScript ecosystem and its single-threaded model. And using what we learn in this section, we're going to be able to use these fundamentals as we learn higher and higher level concepts as we move throughout the course. So hang in there. Even if you have a good understanding of how JavaScript works, you may learn a thing or two. We're also going to have a little bit of coding, but most exercises in this section are going to be thought experiments, and a lot more code is going to come up in future sections. So hang in there, and I hope you are as excited as I am to start the course. It's going to be a lot of fun. Let's get started, shall we? See you in the next one.